In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automatic file download after form submission. This is a simple but very useful configuration, especially if you want people to instantly receive a downloadable file right after they complete and submit your form. Instead of making them search for a link or wait for a follow-up message, you can guide them directly into the download experience as part of the submission flow. To begin, open the form or project where you want this behavior to happen, then go to the After Submission area. Inside that section, look for the Success Pages and Redirects Configuration zone. This is where you control what users see or where they go immediately after they submit the form. It's an important part of the user journey because it defines what happens at the exact moment the submission is completed. Once you're in that section, find the option labeled Redirect After Submission and turn it on. Enabling this setting tells the system that instead of only showing a standard success message or page, it should send the user to a specific destination right away. In this case, that destination will be the file you want them to download. Next, paste in the direct raw URL hosting path for your file download payload. The key detail here is that the link needs to point directly to the file itself, not to a preview page, a shared folder, or an intermediate landing page. If the URL is truly direct, the browser can immediately begin the file download as soon as the redirect happens. If the link is not direct, users may be taken to a page where they still have to click again, which defeats the purpose of automating the process. After you've added the direct file URL, save the configuration. Saving confirms the redirect behavior and activates the setup. From that point on, when someone submits the form, the redirect should trigger immediately and start the file download. As a best practice, test the full experience yourself after saving. Submit a sample entry and confirm that the form completes successfully, the redirect fires, and the correct file begins downloading without extra steps. If it doesn't, the most common issue is usually the file link, so double check that the URL is a direct raw file path. And that's it. With just this configuration, you can create a smoother, faster post-submission experience and deliver your downloadable file instantly.